guys. So I had to start another video. So this is part 5. Sorry, I was trying to go quick, but not too quick. But we're almost there. Okay, so I'm gonna kick off on where I left off. Gonna do another method here. So this is not restart cam detection. This is just restart detection. Interval timer. And I'm gonna explain what this one's all about. Detect interval current. This basically sets like another model detection. Like another model detection interval. And then, but with this, we're gonna set like the time, the interval time. And that has to do with like when the model detects like the garbage can or something, or the garbage truck, then it's gonna do like detection faster, and if it's not detecting the truck, it's gonna do it slower. So it's kind of like a variable rate, so it's not just like detecting so many times. You know, we want it to slow down, wait for something, then when it sees something, we want to start detecting more and more and more. Okay, so that's how that's gonna come into play. Okay, so this trash tolerance ticker. This was an interesting one here. In detection, there is like a confidence level, and you know, I could set the confidence level too high or too low, and sometimes the condition doesn't sometimes the condition ends too quickly. So what I wanted to do is like if the truck is detecting the garbage can being picked up, and for a split second it doesn't, it's gonna say, oh, the trash can's been emptied. But that's not the case. It just so happens that the function just kind of didn't detect it. So I wanted to not do that more than a few seconds, you know, like give it some time to think if it has or not. So that's what this is for. It's kind of like a tolerance level. Okay, got that. So what we want to do now is get a little bit more into the detection part here. Okay, so we got gonna be greater, so there's gonna be something in there. We want to put here let truck present equals false, so there's no truck there yet. And okay, so then if there's a pickup and the confidence is over about 6%, I'm sorry, 60%, then the truck is present. I'll say true. Okay, I'm gonna kind of do this one over here, so I'm just gonna delete that. And then what we want to do after that is do another one here, truck present, and the element class is garbage picking up. There's detection on the model where it shows the garbage can being picked up, so it'll flag that. Okay, and then the confidence on that is greater than 60%. Okay, then here, let me kind of just fix that, so try to keep somewhat consistent. So if that happens, then emptying trash equals true. Okay, so if the class is coming up as garbage is being picked up, it's detecting that, then that means yes, the emptying trash is happening at that moment. Okay, and then while it's emptying the trash, we want to have empty trash tolerance true. That means we want to start setting that timer on. Okay, and trash can CSS trash icon empty. Okay, so it's emptying. It's showing like the animation, like it's tilting over. Set garbage status to emptying trash can. Okay, and then once that's good, okay, so we got that going. Okay, and then after that's all done, so here's here's another one. So this is like that variable rate. So if the truck is present, we want to restart the detection, and we want it to be fast, right? And then let's say if it's not present anymore, then it can slow down again. Restart detection. This can even be like 3 seconds, like 3,000, and it still works. And then so if emptying trash is happening, okay, and there's no truck present, then it's possible that the emptying trash happened and the truck's no longer there. And then if the trash tolerance ticker is less than like a threshold that we'll set, then I'm sorry, if the trash tolerance ticker is greater than a threshold that we set, then that means it's no longer emptying out the truck. So we're gonna put false, and then empty trash tolerance, we're gonna set that to false to stop that. And then and then set trash CSS, set trash can CSS trash icon, set garbage status emptied trash can. So we're basically ending the whole thing, like, and then stop the camera. And this is coming from detect. That was like that option there. I want to know if it's coming from the detect part, and then that's it. Let's see here, and then okay, we can get rid of some of these spaces here. This was done in in the beginning of the series. So okay, so if we look right here, there's so this emptying trash. Oh, let me see here. I think we gotta make sure that was actually declared up here. Emptying trash. I'm gonna put it right here. Actually, let's put it down here. And let's see. initially is false. It's not picking up any trash at the moment. And then let's see here. There's this other one, this trash tolerance, empty trash tolerance. So that one, let's see here, empty trash tolerance. I have that set to 30. And basically what that is when it's this part right here. So like I said before, so sometimes the object detection won't detect like what you're looking for like a, I don't know, like a split second or something, or a second, could be longer. So what I did is I don't want it to just end that. I want it to keep tracking that motion. So this will iterate like a bunch of times. And I want to say that it iterates more than 30 before it would just lose sight of that detection and declare it as it's not emptying trash no more. You know, it has to be more than like 30 iterations. If I set this like really low, like let's say 1, then if it doesn't detect after an iteration of 1, it's going to set it as emptying trash, but it might not have already. It's probably just that the object detection is slowing down a little bit, you know, because there's a lot of like compiling and stuff that, like not compiling, but like a lot of detection stuff that's going on. So we got to give it just a little bit of help, a little bit of time to process. So that's what that is. Let's see. Let's give a quick run before I have to start another video. So just gonna restart that. I have my webcam hooked up. Okay, so I'm gonna point at the web video that we have linked right here. Okay, so I open this up on my computer here. Okay, so it's detecting. Let's run this. Okay, got the truck. Okay, it's emptying. Let's see if it gives any errors. Oh, okay. And there's an error. Options is not defined. Options is not defined. Okay, so and options is not defined at stop camera. Okay, let's look at that. Stop camera. Oh, right here. Options. Okay. All right, let's try this again. I'm just gonna stop this whole thing. Just make sure everything's cleared out. Gonna restart. Gonna start from scratch. Okay, let's try this again. Wind it back a little bit. Got my webcam here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, that's good. Empty trash. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Let's see here. Restart. Make sure that restarts. Okay, yes, it restarts and restarts the detection. Gonna check something else too. Okay, when it picks up, I'm gonna kind of steer away. Picking up, gonna steer away. Still good. Okay. Okay, yeah, and it's still picking up. Okay, boom, empty trash. Okay, so that's like that tolerance thing that I was telling you about. So let me show you what happens. Hopefully I don't have to start another. I am gonna have to actually start another video, but I think the next one is just gonna be some wrap up stuff. Let's say if I did this at 1, and then I'm gonna stop this. Restart this whole thing. Speed it up a little bit here. Enable. Okay, got my camera here. So when it's picking up, when the garbage can is picking up, I'm gonna just like go like that. I'm gonna like get off of it, and then it's gonna say it's emptying trash like very quickly, rather than when I had it where I was able to kind of clear it and it still was trying to detect. So we got this. Okay, See, it just went away right away. It basically just stopped right away, and it says empty trash. So that's why if I put it at a bigger number, like to 30, it'll give it a little bit of time if it doesn't detect. So that's why I have that there.